matrices of higher order, and it's not possible to solve higher order matrices on calculator. Most calculators can solve up to 3 by 3 matrices, but beyond that, most calculators are unable to do. So we need to use Excel for that. So let's say if this is a matrix 4 by 4, and this is the unknown matrix. I mean the matrix containing the unknowns, and this is the another matrix. So if let's say call this as B matrix, and this is the X matrix, and this one as D matrix, then this is Bx equal to D. And if you just isolate this X, you get X equal to B inverse times D. Now you need to perform two things. You need to take the inverse of this matrix B and then multiply it with this matrix D. So let me show you how to do this in Excel. So basically I've just entered the same matrices over here, and so there are two ways, and each one of them is valid for one version of the Excel. For the latest versions, the method is simpler, and for the older versions, you need to do some bit of more work. So I'll first tell you how to do it for the latest version. I've got the latest version, so I'm going to show you first how to do it in the latest version. So first we need to inverse this matrix, and then we'll multiply it with the next matrix. So for the latest versions, you can simply say equal to. So I'm first taking the inverse of this matrix B, and I would simply write M inverse. Okay. So this is the inverse. This is the function for which I want to calculate the inverse. Okay, and it will directly give me the inverse. So I don't have to know the output range. It just gives me the inverse, and then I can multiply. For example, I can say equal to matrix multiplication, this array, and then I need to multiply it with this matrix. So I get the unknown matrix x1, x2, x3, and x4. This is the method you can use for the latest version, but if you got the older version, what you can do, I'm just deleting this. I'll let you know how to do it for the older version. So for the older method, you need to know the order of the output matrix. If this is a 4 by 4 matrix, its inverse will also be a 4 by 4 matrix. So I'll first select 4 by 4 area, and then I'll say, with this selected, I'll start entering the formula equal to M inverse. Okay. And then I'll select the matrix for which I want to get the inverse, and then I'll press Control Shift Enter. Okay, and so this is the inverse of the matrix, and then you need to get the output of the product of this matrix with this matrix. Okay, this is the B inverse matrix, and this is the D matrix. Now so when I multiply this 4 by 4 matrix with this 4 by 1 matrix, I'll get a 4 by 1 matrix. So I'll select a 4 by 1 matrix, okay, equal to M matrix multiplication. This is the first array, okay, and then this is the second array, second matrix, and then I'll close the formula, and then I'll press Shift Control Enter, and I'll get my result. So this is how you will perform with the matrices. You see that the Excel has automatically insert these curly brackets at the ends of the formula. I hope this helps.